Today I tried to play the GTA Vice City NextGen edition. I got an infinite loading screen problem. To fix it, just right click and select open file location and find the command line. Just double click on the command line text document. Check my video description for this text used in my video, guys. Press in keyboard Ctrl Shift plus Escape key to open up Task Manager and go to Performance tab and select the GPU you have. In my case, I have dedicated GPU memory 16 GB. And after knowing how much GPU memory you have, just minimize this. I will give you three values. Depends on the memory, you just need to copy it. For 2 GB VRAM users, just copy and paste this command. This is default. For 4 GB, copy and paste this in this value. I'm gonna use it for 8 GB. And after changing the value, just copy the whole command and go back to command line. Next to no restrictions, press enter, paste the command we copied, and then select file and select save option. Just close stuff here and launch the game. Select the play option. And now you can play the game without having loading stuck problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.